Parker's RMAX stream switching system integrates both stream switching and bypass filtration into one compact assembly. The system saves valuable wall space in an analyzer shelter that some industry estimates say is worth at least $1,000 per square foot. Additional valued RMAX functions on top of stream switching include SEMS and dual sample. The system is versatile in that it can control both gases and liquids in analytical systems ranging from vacuum to 500 psig while requiring only 60 psig actuating air pressure. It was engineered with a focus on improved product reliability and reduced cost of ownership. When system requirements call for frequent switching of process or calibration streams, frequent being defined as little as once per day to as often as once per minute, RMAX is the answer. Specific features of RMAX include a state-of-the-art surface mount technology that reduces leak paths, internal volume, and dead volume. Knowing the measurement is only as good as the stream. The two three-way double block and bleed valves ensure a sample cannot possibly be contaminated. A physical indication that the valve is moved is a great feature when troubleshooting and differentiates RMAX in the industry. Surface mounting also leads to unique advantages with ease of maintenance, as system components can be easily removed and replaced without breaking process connections. Valves can easily be served in the field with just pliers, an Allen wrench, and a spare part. Additionally, an internal self-purging outlet header eliminates the need for an additional outlet loop.